is gonna go be a model of salad. Salad! Yay!
Oh, it's really, really hot. Try mo to. No way! Salad! Of course, kailangan mo ng salad pag New Year o kaya Graham. Pero ang choice ko, lamig pa more. Try mo na. Mabait lang. Ang sarap. Try niyo to. Bilhin niyo lang yung ingredients doon sa any kind of mall. And don't forget to frozen it at your refrigerator.
This is the refrigerator.
Yummy!
Oops, the finger one.
Bye-bye!